Okay, Super, so we got some snow and it's New Year's Day, whatever. What the hell, where'd that come from? Piece of tin over there. Oh well. Do a cold start because I gotta move this. All the snow turned into ice and I can't shovel it. And I just gotta have an excuse anyway to use a tractor. So, start the truck here. Cold start, hasn't been ran. Typical Dodge, started right up. Good old truck. Now I'll let that warm up while I go and move Ma's car up there. Then we'll do a cold start on the tractor. And yeah, see how everything goes here. Go back to business. No one was here. I can't find my tripod now. Random thought there, but can't find my tripod. Oh well. I don't have the muffler on it right now. Had a goofy idea last night and I just don't feel like putting it back on now. Changed my mind about that idea, of course. Yeah, so we'll get to a cold start here and yeah. It's cold, windy out. My better half of my brain says I shouldn't be doing this with the tractor, but it's solid ice, so I think I can make that a viable excuse. Oh, I hear an engine. Someone's running a snowblower. So that's good enough excuse for me too. Someone else can, I can. Yep, so that's what I'm going to do. I siphoned all the gas out of that and I spilt it all over the floor. You can actually see the spot there where I spilt all the gas out of this, trying to put it in here. Now I got pretty much just fumes in this, so it ought to be interesting. See what we can do, see if Knocker's still as efficient as she once was. We'll get to that cold start now. Turn on the fuel. Though we'll just be running on fumes, still got to turn it on. And check the oil. Gotta make sure we got oil. Yeah, we got oil, and it's still looking clean. Getting close to the 2-hour mark with the brake in. So yeah, I think we'll shut that back up because I don't want to lose my orange light. I already lost my red light somehow. I can't find that thing. So I'm not going to be as safe as I should. See if we can't get Knocker to fire up. Oh, almost. It's these fumes, I tell you. And then a little more choke, maybe. Definitely likes to choke with no muffler on there. Let her warm up here and then the camera so you can watch me do some plowing. First plowing at 2011-2012 winter. Starts in 2012. Hope you all had a good not a good afternoon. Well, have a good afternoon, but good New Year. Okay, so we're going to use the snowblower here as a tripod like we did last year a couple times, and you can see me plow the 2 inches of ice that we have. Hope you all enjoy. I know all that's been fun. We've got a good view here. Well, not the best. I'll have to work with that, though. Still a little cold, so